Does body language really matter? Of course it does. It is the most important thing you should know, especially if you're in sales. Did you know that in a sales call, your words are only half the story? The other half, and then sometimes the bigger half, is your body language. In this video, I'll show you how your body language speaks louder than your words, what mistakes to avoid, and how to use it to build trust and close more deals. Let's dive in. Why body language matters. When you speak, people don't just listen to your words. They watch your eyes, your posture, your hands, and even your breathing. If your words say, I'm confident, but your body says, I'm nervous, the customer will believe your body and not your words. Remember this, your body never lies. That's why it's so important in sales calls. What is positive body language? Let's talk about what works. Smile genuinely. It shows warmth and confidence. Sit upright. Don't slouch. It makes you look bored. The third is eye contact. Not too much, not too little. Look at the customer when they talk and gently nod to show you're listening. Use your hands naturally. Don't freeze them. Small gestures show energy and honesty. These little things make the customer feel comfortable and connected. Now let's look at negative body language mistakes. Here is what you should avoid. Crossed arms. It looks defensive, like you're not open. Looking away too often. This makes you look distracted or unsure. Fidgeting with a pen, phone, or even hair. It shows that you're nervous. Leaning too far back. It shows disinterest. And leaning too close, it invades space and makes the customer feel uncomfortable. These mistakes silently kill trust, even if your pitch is perfect. So, what should you do to fix this? It's very simple. Mirror the customer's body language. If they are sitting upright, you do the same. If they lean slightly forward when they're interested, copy that. If they use their hands to explain something, you do the same. This creates connection and makes the customer feel, hey, we're on the same page. But here is the catch. Be natural. Don't copy like a robot or make them feel that you're mocking them. Adjust smoothly. Another important aspect of body language is tone of voice. Body language is not just your hands or posture. Your tone of voice is also body language. Speak with energy. Slow down when making an important point. Pause to let the customer think. Don't rush because rushing signals desperation. The right tone builds confidence in your customer's mind. So let's do a quick recap. You come across confident when you smile, sit straight, and maintain calm eye contact. You're showing interest when you nod, lean slightly forward, and listen with your whole body. You will build trust when your body and your words match perfectly. Remember, customers don't just hear you, they watch you. Now it's your turn. In your next sales call, pay attention to your body language. Notice if your body is supporting your words or is it working against them. Comment below what body language habit do you struggle with the most. If you'd like to learn more in detail, check out my recent blog on the same topic. I'm giving the link in the description below. And if you want personal guidance on improving your sales skills, click on my calendar link in the description or WhatsApp me at 9348 101 001. I hope you like this video. Happy selling until I see you in the next one.